In the world of fashion, few names are as recognized or as influential as Calvin Klein. This fashion titan's story begins in 1968 with a modest $10,000 investment. Calvin Klein, a visionary with an eye for minimalist aesthetic, founded Calvin Klein Limited. The brand's initial focus was on women's fashion, creating a line that encompassed not just clothing but also accessories, and was marked by an elegance that was both cutting-edge and minimalist. This was the genesis of a fashion empire that would not only revolutionize the industry, but also engrave its name in the annals of fashion history. From this modest beginning, a fashion empire was born, forever changing the landscape of the industry. Before we jump into this story, subscribe this channel. Calvin Klein's journey to the top was marked by innovation, audacity, and a keen understanding of the market. As the 1970s unfolded, the brand expanded its sartorial repertoire, branching out from its minimalist aesthetic to include sportswear, lingerie, and accessories. By 1977, Calvin Klein's annual revenues had soared to a staggering $30 million, a testament to the brand's growing popularity and influence. A significant part of this success can be attributed to the brand's expansion into designer jeans and underwear lines. These pieces, while simple, were revolutionary in their time, redefining the way people perceived everyday clothing. Calvin Klein jeans became an iconic product, transforming the humble denim into a statement of style and sophistication. The underwear line, too, was a game-changer, grossing $70 million in a single year, and reimagining undergarments as a fashion statement rather than a mere necessity. But it wasn't just the products that catapulted Calvin Klein to prominence. The brand's marketing strategies were equally groundbreaking. Calvin Klein's ad campaigns were provocative, pushing the boundaries of what was deemed acceptable and stirring up controversy. One such campaign that deserves mention is the Brooke Shields campaign. It was audacious, stirring, and undeniably effective, propelling the brand into the limelight and sparking conversations across the globe. These controversies, while challenging, played a significant role in solidifying Calvin Klein's position in the fashion industry. They underlined the brand's willingness to challenge norms, to provoke thought, and to make a statement. Calvin Klein wasn't just selling clothes, it was selling a lifestyle, an attitude, a way of being. With these bold moves, Calvin Klein firmly established itself as a trendsetter, pushing the boundaries of fashion and marketing. And as we'll see in the next chapter, even when faced with difficulties, the brand's innovative spirit and audacious approach would continue to guide its journey through the turbulent world of fashion. Even for a giant like Calvin Klein, the road was not always smooth. In the world of fashion, where trends come and go like the wind, maintaining relevance and profitability can be a Herculean task. This was a challenge that Calvin Klein faced head-on in the 1990s. The 90s were a tumultuous time for the company. Despite the brand's popularity and influence, financial challenges loomed large on the horizon, threatening to derail the fashion empire. The company teetered on the edge of bankruptcy, a fate that seemed unimaginable given its previous successes. But Calvin Klein was not a brand to go down without a fight. In the face of adversity, the company made a series of strategic moves to claw its way back to profitability. One such move was the introduction of unisex scents. This innovative approach to fragrances was a game-changer, breaking down gender barriers and appealing to a wider audience. It was a bold move, one that paid off handsomely, helping to steady the company's financial ship. In addition to product innovation, Calvin Klein also turned to marketing to help weather the storm. The brand became known for its innovative and often controversial advertising campaigns. These campaigns, while sometimes stirring up controversy, succeeded in keeping the brand in the public eye. They pushed boundaries, created conversations, and kept Calvin Klein at the forefront of the fashion world. It was through these strategic moves and a relentless drive to innovate that Calvin Klein managed to weather the storm of the 90s. The company emerged from this challenging period not just intact, but stronger and more resilient. These trials only proved that Calvin Klein was not just a brand, it was a survivor, always finding ways to stay relevant and profitable. Even in the face of adversity, Calvin Klein found ways to innovate, adapt, and thrive, solidifying its position as a titan in the world of fashion. Hold on, and subscribe right now to this channel if you want to build your own empire. More than 5 decades since its inception, Calvin Klein continues to be a potent force in the fashion world. This iconic brand, known for its minimalist yet elegant designs, has left an indelible mark on the industry, with its influence stretching far beyond the realm of fashion. In fact, the brand's financial success is nothing short of remarkable. In the year 2022, its global retail sales reached a staggering $9.3 billion. This impressive figure is a testament to the enduring appeal of Calvin Klein's designs, and a reflection of the brand's ability to stay relevant in an ever-changing industry. The secret to Calvin Klein's enduring success is its unwavering commitment to its core values: minimalism, sexual provocation, and high-low fashion. This unique blend of elements has allowed the brand to consistently create designs that are both sophisticated and edgy, appealing to a wide range of consumers. Yet it's not just about the clothes. Calvin Klein has also made a name for itself through its collaborations with famous personalities. From Hollywood actors to K-pop singers, the brand has a knack for picking ambassadors who embody its modern and sensual aesthetic, further cementing its place in popular culture. But the brand's influence isn't limited to the fashion world. Calvin Klein has also used its platform to support social causes, including HIV/AIDS research and gender equality initiatives. This commitment to making a positive impact reflects the brand's understanding that fashion isn't just about what you wear, it's about the values you stand for. Today, Calvin Klein remains a beacon of modern, sophisticated and sensual aesthetic, always at the forefront of fashion. Calvin Klein's success is not just about the clothes on the rack or the perfumes on the shelf. It's a tale that weaves together resilience, innovation, and influence, spanning over 5 decades of fashion history. Founded in 1968, with a modest investment of $10,000, Calvin Klein Limited swiftly carved out a niche for itself with its minimalist, yet sophisticated aesthetics. By 1977, the brand had expanded its portfolio, reaching annual revenues of $30 million, a testament to its burgeoning popularity. The success story of Calvin Klein, however, is not one without its trials. The brand faced bankruptcy in 1992, a challenging period that could have led to its demise. Yet it was the brand's resilience and strategic innovation that saw it through, regaining profitability by the late 90s. The introduction of popular underwear and fragrance lines played a pivotal role in this revival, solidifying Calvin Klein's position in the industry. The influence of Calvin Klein extends far beyond its design. The brand's high-visibility advertisements, often courting controversy, have become iconic in their own right. From the infamous Brooke Shields campaign to strategic partnerships with celebrities and influencers, Calvin Klein has consistently managed to stay at the forefront of public consciousness. Nowadays, Calvin Klein has successful collaborations with the model Kendall Jenner, Jennie Kim from Blackpink, JK from BTS, and more. Moreover, retail success has been a significant part of Calvin Klein's journey. With global retail sales reaching a staggering $9.3 billion in 2022, the brand's impact on the fashion world is undeniable. Today, despite changes in creative leadership, the brand continues to thrive, maintaining its minimalist aesthetic and staying true to its core values. Calvin Klein's story is a testament to the power of vision, audacity, and resilience. A true success story that continues to inspire the world of fashion. So this is the end. Leave your opinion below and subscribe this channel.